Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add AfterPay card to Apple Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you got to do first is simply select your AfterPay app from your home screen and tap it open. So once you open your AfterPay app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So you also need your Apple Wallet installed in your device, and you have to simply connect it. Once you open your AfterPay app, you can find the card option at the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on the card icon, and if this is your first time using it, AfterPay will prompt you to set up your AfterPay card. After doing this, follow the on-screen prompts to activate the card. You may need to verify your identity using SMS or email, and once your AfterPay card is activated, simply tap the Add to Apple Wallet button. Once you have done this, Apple Wallet will open automatically. There you can simply tap Add in the top right corner to confirm, and you are done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.